Remember when I installed a Japanese market rear bumper cover on my M45? This is how that turned out. So I had to get creative and park these in the backyard. This is the JDM bumper. Just look at it. Barely any, right? And the mufflers, the tips came from a standard bumpered car, US car. That's why they stick out a little bit. And then this one right here is your standard USDM bumper. Okay, that's with a chrome piece, just showing just a little bit. Okay, let's go backwards on the other one. Chrome piece showing just a little. There you go. That's all. It's not a very long video. 10 shots. Is it pretty? Maybe not all pretty, but it's pretty good, pretty effective, right? They stick out a little bit, just a little. And as you can see here, these were cut straight, but the bumper curves a little bit, so maybe if this was made a little shorter, it'd be more perfect. But for now, it's pretty good. I'm happy about it. Man, the sun. Can't see any better, really.